At Hightouch, I am our performance marketing manager. Yeah, pretty busy day. I have a good amount of tasks to get done today before the end of the week. I got a Slack from sales with some insight that they're seeing from our retail segment. So I think there's a really big opportunity here to launch a dedicated ABM ad campaign. Retail companies are a really big deal size for us as well. So I think it's really important to get this ad campaign out quickly. So I'm gonna aim to get it out by end of day.
Is that ambitious?
It is a little ambitious, but since we have our own tool, Hightouch Ad Studio, things move a lot quicker. So to do that, I'm gonna connect with my direct report, Jamie, who runs all of our paid platforms. The nice thing is once we get the brief and everything set up in Ad Studio, we can have things running in the background while I multitask and get some other things done. I usually start my days in my office, but then throughout the day I'll move around to get them out, kind of work around this whole apartment. Usually at some point in my day, I'll take a break for lunch, and then the best part of lunch is getting to take Duke on a walk. Just got over the initial pass of ads from Jamie. They look honestly really solid for a first pass. I'm going to see Rachel for coffee a little bit later today, so it'll be a good opportunity to run some of the copy by her.
This is awesome. I can't believe you built this today. Yeah, if I was like nitpicking, I feel like there are a few things we could do to like refine it.
Super helpful. She gave me a few copy edits. With those, I'm feeling pretty good that we'll be able to launch today. Next, I have a meeting. So we're working on like a new product launch landing page. Now that we have some copy advice from Rachel, we can make final tweaks on these ads that Jamie put together and decide which ones are launch ready. This one looks good, but maybe for this one, we could try moving the CTA button up here to be a bit more prominent. This is basically just a final pass to make sure everything's at the standard that we want it to be before launching. I think these look pretty good and ready to go. I'm excited to see how they resonate with the retail audience. I'm sure we'll do some variations later as we test and learn, but for now, these are ready to go. With that, I think we did it. I think this is a campaign live in one day with Ad Studio, and this was one day in my life, but this is pretty much how all my days look like at Hightouch, so thanks for coming along.